Hey y'all, hey! Welcome back to my channel. I'm April, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. While you're here, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button down below and also click the bell button so you can receive notifications whenever I post a new video. This video is kind of like a part 2 video. This is the video of how I styled my hair using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt line. In the box, I told you in the first video, they sent me the Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In Conditioner and also the Hydrate and Repair Split End Balm. And I forgot to mention in my other video that they also sent this cute shirt. Isn't it cute? It says Shea Moisture, Shea Ambassador. On the back it says Shea Ambassador Class of 2018. Yeah, that is so cute. It's so cute. So yeah, I got this shirt in the box also, but these two products were the only products that I used to style my hair because I wanted to keep both the videos focused on just this collection. And y'all, these are my results from using just these products, which is crazy because look at my hair. Look at it. Look at that bleach damage. You can't even see any bleach damage. So yeah, this video I'm going to show you how I style my hair just using these two products. Alright, so first I have my hair sectioned off in 4 sections, and then I'm going to go in with the Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In Conditioner. I'm going to spray the entire section and I'll work it into my hair evenly. And as always, I'm always generous with the product, so I'm going to add a little bit more to focus more on the ends. Now I'm going to go in with the Hydrate and Repair Split End Balm, and I'm going to do it the same way. I'm going to focus on mainly my ends, but also apply some to the hair shaft. Once I have applied the Split End Balm, I'm just going to go into my regular braid and curl routine. What I liked most about the Split End Balm is that it instantly seals and reduces the appearance of split ends, and with my bleach damage, it is split really bad, it's really dry, and it's really brittle. So using this, I could actually feel how it started to seal the ends together. And yes, as I was styling, I decided to trim some of my bleached ends off, but I would not advise any of you to do that. Here I am the next day. I let my hair air dry overnight, and I'm just going to remove the perm rods and start to unravel my braids. The way that this balm dried on my hair, I did not think that my hair was dry because it was that silky and smooth to the touch, to the point where it still felt damp, but it was just that silky. I really could not believe the outcome of using these two products together. Using the multi-action leave-in alone is ideal for hair that is prone to breaking, snapping, and splitting. And we all know with that bleach damage, you could see how bad my ends were split. And then the balm is ideal for holding rebellious ends together. And clearly, as you can see, my ends are sealed tight. And to finish off this look, I'm just going to separate, fluff, and pick. So that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.